my god!
Come outside.
Yes,
Come
yes,
outside.
yes.
Hey there. How you doing? Real sorry to bug you. And we're actually just crowdfunding for a very special neighbor. We're doing a walkway renovation for them.
We actually can't say yet.
Yeah, we can't say. They're looking for anything, $5-10, whatever it is. No, okay, no problem.
Sorry, I don't get money out of the door.
No problem.
Okay, no
Yeah,
problem.
Okay.
no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a little tough rent that we're gonna do. They're waiting us to tell us to leave. Hello.
Hi.
Hey there. Are you the owner of the house? We're gonna be doing a free renovation for somebody on the streets. So we're just checking to see with the neighbors if anybody wants to pitch in. Well, even if it's like 50 cents. Okay. No, don't feel bad at all.
Not at all. Oh, thank you so much.
This is awesome.
This is nothing. I'm so
No, wait. Before you leave,
Yeah. You are actually the neighbor that we're fundraising for.
the first person to give us any kind of money at all, we're going to give back to them with a free walkway. Yeah.
You guys are real, right?
Yeah, we're here. Yeah.
You guys don't believe.
Yeah.
No.
This is legitimate.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is it. So, ideally,
As well.
Oh, that's very kind of
yes.
It's the way I was brought up. You always need to give in life, not always to take.
Yeah.
There's more gratification in giving.
And you don't want the fact that even like in a time like this, when just after surgery, it doesn't matter what it is, the fact that you went there and you gave it to us. We were looking.
And
People
open the door for us.
opened the door and had a conversation. It was just, this is a match made in heaven.
It was more of an experience. There was this man with a sign. He wasn't able to talk, but he just put a sign up. And we lived, at that time, I was really young. We lived at the time in a triplex. And the two people living next to us were our landlords. And they were quite well off. My father was a printer, but they both slammed the door on that guy and didn't bother reading the poster. So my father took time to read, and he gave what he could. And he says to me, only learn to give what you can when you can. Never, ever, always take.
What a great lesson. Good man. Yeah.
My father was the best.
Yeah.
The-
Yeah. Thank you for holding on to those lessons. Yeah.
Need more of those lessons in the world.
Yeah. Absolutely.
More kindness,
Yeah.
more love, more compassion.
Yes.
I feel like you didn't believe it.
Yeah, you didn't believe it. So. So the dimensions of Windermere, they're in denominations of 7 inches. So that's the paver that we're using. So currently the walkway is 60 inches, I believe. So from there to there, we're at just under 60 inches. So we want to create a walkway where least amount of possible cuts. So we're going to go with a denomination that fits into the 7-inch multiple. So let's do 63. So that means that we're going to have to dig out about 5 inches extra of this grass. So we're going to be able to widen the walkway. So she's going to have an additional 5 inches of walking space throughout the entire length of this walkway. And that also allows us to eliminate the need for any cuts whatsoever on its wide point. Okay.
What is that, a walkway?
It looks like the old contractors. So guys, I'm going to talk about a big no-no. So unfortunately, the contractors that had installed these patio slabs, whatever it was years ago, this is their base. It looks like we have nothing but sand. Sand, and there's dirt that fell in between the cracks. This is not what we do. So we have to dig all of this out. Absolutely none of this can stay behind. Look at this. That's it. That's the foundation that we had. And obviously we can find some garbage that was left behind. Look at this. See? Look at that. We got bricks here. All kinds of garbage.
Building bricks.
Yeah. Do they match the house? Oh, we should leave some extras for her. So yeah, so this, unfortunately, and fortunately for her, unfortunately for us, because it's gonna be a lot more work, we're gonna have to dig all of this out. We're gonna go about 10 inches down because it's a walkway, there's no vehicular traffic, but we wanna have about 8 inches of our base below the pavers. So we're gonna go with an open graded base, and let's
Start excavating.
yeah, let's start excavating. This is brand new. We just got this about a week ago, and I can't tell you how useful it's been. Just from the laser measure perspective, it's unbelievable. So we're gonna just quickly double check the length of this walkway. So we're on our laser over here, make sure that it shoots on the front end rather than the back end. So just click this little button here, and then we know that this is 20 feet essentially from the start of the walkway, which is pretty much exactly what we thought it was going to be. Now the cool thing about this is, so now I'm just shooting to that wall there. It says 24 feet. What's really neat is if I decide that I want to shoot from my body to there, all I gotta do is I gotta hit that, and now there's a laser hitting my body. So it's measuring, it's adding the measurements both ways. And it's really neat. You can also hit this. You can find the exact center point. So between myself and that door, it's telling me that I got to move that way, and then it's gonna give me a little ding once I hit perfect center. So this is great if you want to just get a perfect symmetry in a backyard. You want to put your circle square in the backyard. Now, what I'm also using this device for is for its level feature. Now this level, I just locked, so it's got a, you can check the pinpoint, so you can actually get it completely plumb, like if you want to do like a countertop, you want it to be completely level on all sides. What I'm using this for is I actually want to get my degree slope from point A to point B. So that this rail is already set at the perfect height. Now I just want, instead of running the same string line over here, all I have to do is make sure that this rail is sitting 1 degree lower than this one. So I have my level here, and it's showing me roughly what I want it to show me. So I'm just gonna lock this. Maybe 4-3 degrees. That's how incredibly precise this is. So I know that I want to push this down a bit. I want to get it to roughly, say roughly 1 degree, in that range. So 1.13, I'm completely fine with that. Now I want to keep it very consistent as I work my way up. So I'm okay with the placement of this rail at this location. Now I just want to make sure that once I get to the top over here, we're roughly at the same slope. So let's put this here. Now I can see right away that I need to raise this up a little bit. So I'm going to put a little bit of aggregate underneath, not too much. I'm going to have to tap this down. So ideally you want to have about 1 to 1.5 inches of HUV as your screening layer. So right now we're at we're at 1.17 over there. Let's try to get to 1.1 over here. 1.08. I'm completely fine with that. So where this is set, this walkway, it will be sloped correctly away from the house. No water against here. This is a very good slope.
All right, we're all done.
Oh my god!
Come outside,
Yes,
come
yes,
outside.
yes.
Oh my god! Oh, I don't even know how to thank you.
Well, giving us the opportunity is more than enough. Thank you.
Oh my god! I have no words.
You like it?
I have no words.
Love it.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. Nick thought of doing a little design here.
So yeah, so I wanted to
stand
match.
out.
We want to match the red pavers to your eavesdrops. So they're actually the same color.
Yeah. Ta-da.
This is way beyond what I thought you were gonna
We like to stand out.
do. Oh my god.
You want to take a walk on it?
Oh yeah. I have no words, guys.
You gotta see it. You gotta see from every angle.
It is so beautiful. Oh my god.
Take a look at how much a difference it does to your house.
This is so beautiful. I have a brand new house.
What a difference.
There's no words. It's just breathtaking.
Amazing.
God bless you all.
We'll get everything tidied up. Cleaned up.
Awesome. It's a little wider now, huh? It feels good.
And sturdy. And
Yeah.
not dangerous.
Not dangerous at all. Yeah.
Oh, I can't believe this. Wait till my boys see this. Oh my god. Thank you.
All right.